Taurus, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the first week of June, 1 to 7th of June 2020. Yeah, guys. And I just want to tell you that thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and feedback on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, love, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. Yeah. So yeah, Taurus, let's start your reading. This is for the Taurus people for the first week of June, from 1 to 7th of June 2020. So let's see. This is for the Taurus. Yeah, this is for the Taurus people. Okay, let's cut the deck for you, Taurus. Okay, Two of Wands. So this is your overall energy. Six of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, King of Wands. Strength, must be a Leo you are dealing with. Page of Wands, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Transformation, Scorpio is here, Three of Wands. So Taurus, I'm feeling that some of you are moving forward in life, which is great. And you are searching in something, you are searching for some answers, because this is the light. You are following this light, and this is actually transformation you have had with this transformation card. This is the Death card, which is Scorpio. So I'm feeling that you are feeling a very new and very fresh energy in yourself, and that's why you wanna know the truth. You wanna find the answers, which you are very curious about, and you wanna know. These things are intriguing you. Yeah, definitely. With the Six of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the King of Wands, it's telling me that definitely you are in action taker mode, and you want to take action for your betterment, for your growth, and you want to make things balance for you with the Six of Pentacles. And that's why the situation of the past was not balanced. That's why you have ended that. You can see that Six of Pentacles, the situation was not balanced in the past, and now you have ended that, and you are in action taking mode, and you want to move. You are in creation mode. Yeah, definitely you want to create something better, something best for you. And this is your this is some kind of energy of fire in you. Like, you want to create a very balanced and very harmonious life for yourself. Yeah. With the Strength, Page of Wands, and the Page of Cups is telling me that definitely you are becoming a very strong person, and you have dealt with your beast, with your inner beast a lot, like anger or possessiveness or some kind of habits, bad habits. You have power on them right now, and you have overcome so many hardships and struggles in your life, because this is also like very you are a very strong person, because you have faced so many hardships in your life. Yeah, from your childhood or something like that. With the Page of Wands, definitely new hopes. Page of Cups, new hope in love, new hope in creation, some kind of new ideas are coming your way. With the Knight of Cups, transformation, and Three of Wands. Yeah, someone is coming your way that will transform all your life, like all of your I just want to say your ideas, your thoughts about life. Yeah, this person will change, because you have come to the point where you don't want to love anyone. Yeah, I can feel that. But this person's love for you, this person has true love for you, and that will change all of your mindset about the love, and they're coming for you. Yeah, you are not expecting them, but they are coming for you. With the Three of Wands, they are definitely coming for you, and situation will be great for you after they will come for you. What is this Two of Wands for the overall energy for the Taurus, please? Justice. Yeah, balance. Eight of Cups. Nine of Swords. Yeah. So at some point of time you were very worried, like if the situation will change for you, if the things will be better for you. You were very, in your mindset you were very worried, you were very drained emotionally. But you know what, universe has something for you. Universe wants to make things balance for you. Yeah, because you have hope. You have, follow your path, follow the light, follow the universe, I just want to say instructions. Yeah, by following the instructions of universe, now you will have your greater karma, which is balance, harmony, love, abundance, and these lower vibration energies will go away from you and your life. Definitely things will be balanced for you. What is this Ten of Swords for the Taurus, please? Wow, wow, after ending that bitter chapter of your life, right after that you will receive your wish fulfillment. You will have your wish fulfillment. Wow. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. Four of Swords. Okay, so you are now in the period of knowing the knowing the worth of yourself. You are now feeling very complete, feeling very content emotionally within yourself, because now you're giving love to yourself. Now you're giving I just want to say care, emotions, and everything to yourself. This is very complete energies, like completions with the Nine of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you are completing some cycles, which is also Ten of Swords, a very big chapter of your life, a very big cycle of your life, and you are now very in relax, in very calm energy, because after ending that rough, like, wow, universe is providing you some time to heal yourself, to get yourself stable, to get yourself at the track, back at the track. Yeah. What is this Page of Wands right in the heart of the spread? Okay, some of you are dealing with Libra, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer, which is Chariot, Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius are here, Judgment. Wow. Yeah, so this Page of Wands is telling me that this is an offer which universe has decided for you, because now you are becoming a very logical and very this Queen of Swords is very logical, very practical. Like they ain't have any kind of, they don't wanna any kind of BS right now, and anytime they don't want any BS in their life. They want clarity, they want truth, they want logic, they want practical things. So universe is giving you right at the at the top of your lap. Wow. So I'm feeling that you have wished for and universe is providing you. Wow. And this is coming for you very fast, because this is Chariot, very fast moving energy. For some of you this must be a person, for you must be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They are also a very determined person. They are also very logical, very intuitive person as well. They are very truthful. Okay, so universe has decided this person to come forward for you right now. I just want to know, what is this transformation here? What is this transformation, please? World. Okay, definitely big chapter. Fool. Big endings, new beginnings, Four of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, okay, I was telling you that definitely new beginnings with the World card and the Fool. New beginnings, new day after the death, like rebirth after the death, and the new life, because this is leap of faith towards the universe. You are taking a leap of faith towards your new life, and you have so much faith in the universe. That's why you are not afraid of starting any kind of chapters of your life. If you have to travel for someone, you have to travel, and if someone has to travel for you, they will come forward to you. And I'm feeling that this is you. If you are not knowing any paths forward. After that, even you are moving forward because you have faith in the universe, and your faith is very strong right now. You can achieve like whatever you want to achieve. Yeah, like if you will speak, that will come true for in front of your eyes, and you will amazed to know that. Definitely, because this is very tough cycles you have uh, overcome right now. And for some of you, this is a person who is holding on to you. And if you are holding on to something about past, then don't do that. Let it go. And because you have overcome so much, so many hard things, and right now you are very strong person. I'm feeling that this must be your person. They are holding on to you, and that's why they want to come forward to you. But you are not interested in past person. You are very hopeful for the new things to come in your life, and Fool is also very new. And definitely new things are coming your way, and so many major arcanas, new beautiful things are coming your way, definitely. So, and also very swiftly, very quickly. Yeah, with the Chariot card present here. So beautiful new things are coming your way. So Taurus, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestion in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.